I did it! I got everything in here. These 2 items are all I'm taking when I go to Rome. Oh, that's right. This is part 3, and you actually want to see what I put in here, right? My bad. Stay tuned, and I'll show you. Thank you for coming back for part 3 of my planning series for my upcoming adventure. Well, this has been an adventure. I actually had to take something out. Not a big deal, kind of a big deal, but I'll live. It was my tripod. And going solo, it was really kind of important for me to have the tripod because I don't have anybody to hold the camera. And so I'm going to do my best with kind of a selfie stick with an attachment to it for it to stand up and stuff. So hopefully all that will work. I have also like a gimbal and stuff, but I don't even think I want to take that because they're so bulky. And so I'm going to just pare down to a selfie stick. So wish me luck on that. One of the things that you have to remember is that you never want to be over the weight limit or the dimension size for your carry-on. Make sure you check each airline you're going on, because just because this one works for some airlines, they may not work for the ones that I'm going to be using this time, which I'm actually going to be using 2 airlines, KLM for the flight over to Rome, and then Air France on the way back. So I had to check both airlines, so please make sure you do that. That's a big tip. So I was over by 2.3 pounds, and by taking out the tripod, I was able to get it down to the 26-pound maximum, and that's what I'll be carrying in the carry-on. So I checked, I've had it packed pretty much right here before, and I've been able to lift it. There's always a really nice person that's usually there available to help as well when they see how short I am. So it usually works out just fine. But let's get started, and I will show you what I packed. We're actually going to go in reverse. I'm going to open this up, and you can see how I put everything in. All right, I'm going to put this off to the side for now, and we're going to unzip. Oh, nice and neat. Won't look like this in a minute, right? All right. So I have my little scarf that I definitely wanted to take with me. I probably could tuck it in on this side, but I wasn't sure. I just wasn't sure it was going to fit. This side was looking rather bulky. So there's that. And then I have my large round brush and then my regular brush. Let's put here. This is something that I didn't show in part 1, and I will have part 1 and part 2 linked below. So part 1 was basically going over a lot of the things and how I store them inside this carry-on when I'm not traveling. And part 2 was going and showing you the clothes that I'm going to be wearing and how I'll be able to mix and match those. So if you want to see those, I'll link them below. So this is actually a converter, which wasn't in my part 1, which should have been. It's an international, basically, converter, because I am taking my hair straightener. I'm not taking a hair dryer or anything, just my straightener. Wish me luck. I usually can get away with just that and then using my large brush. So I'll be taking that. I have my face makeup wipes. Then every cruiser knows what this is. So this is obviously electrical outlets, two USB ports, and it's non-surge. So this is the one that works for cruises because they don't allow you to take surge protectors on there. I've never found out why. It must be, maybe, I don't know what it does. But anyway, they don't like it. I'm taking that. Then this is my little makeup kit, which also wasn't in part one because I store it somewhere else. I actually store it in my bathroom. And the reason is because I'm getting ready to travel. Basically, as I'm getting ready, I'm literally putting this stuff into this case. So rather than storing it somewhere else, like in here, I don't have to pull this out and go get it and stuff. I literally just do this and then I can just toss it in. Alright, so this is my liquids bag. And again, the foundation's in here. And so I have one tied because I'm going to be washing my clothes in my Airbnb. I'm really lucky to be able to do that. And then I have body wash, I have face lotion, I have Downy wrinkle releaser. This is the only one I'm considering not taking, but anyway, shampoo, conditioner. I have an extra toothpaste in here. I have these little perfumes. I have SPF face cream. And also, oh, my face cleanser, things. And then this is actually, can go right back in after security. So, as you saw in part one, I bought these packing cubes that are supposed to be compression cubes. They didn't compress very well. So I said, I'm going to make do with them, and because I kind of liked them, they fit perfect for my 3 pairs of shoes. So I actually have my 3 pairs of shoes in here, individually wrapped with bags. Now, great another tip. You know how you buy sheets and stuff like that? I actually use the bags for my shoes. And then I get stuff from Amazon for my shoes. So, and I love Amazon. I mean, well, I love Prime because I get things in 2 days. So I pack them all up. And then what I did is, just to keep things a little more organized, I put my little wire holder in here. I call it my wire holder. It's actually for, you know, all your charging stuff. And so that's all that's in here. Here I have my medicine, and I'm taking motion sickness medicine. I'm taking my anti-diarrhea medicine and my stool softener medicine because I'm going on a cruise. I'm going to eat, let's be real, people. And some ibuprofen. So those are the things I will take there. Then I have my shaver, a nail file. I have my cell phone pouch thing. I have Q-tips. And then this time I'm taking my Lalita Loca lanyard. So thank you, Lalita Loca. Alright, so those are all going to go in here. I think that was it. Alright, so I'm going to take that out. Put it over there. And then in here, so here's where I changed, I actually had my selfie stick and stuff in here. Basically I had my selfie stick and my hair straightener inside my tripod bag, and it fit perfect. So I was kind of like bummed because I was like, oh my gosh, it fits so perfect. So I'll take my selfie stick, which fits in this bag almost, and then I throw in my hair straightener in here. So if you ever want to try to keep things all together, that's a great way to do it. Alright, so that's the end of that side, and here it is this side. Alright, so here are all those clothes that I tried on with a couple additions. which you'll find humorous, right? I did add 2 items. I added a pair of these, another pair of yoga leggings, just so I'd be comfortable and stuff. And I added, let's see if I can find them. Oh, they're right here. I picked these up the other day. An order came in. I like the Dress Barn, and so it's a great place. So Dress Barn, New York and Company, Van Houston. Those are pretty much 3 of my favorite stores. So I got these little kind of gaucho pants. So those are the only 2 things I added. I didn't add anything else. What I did do though is I actually put my underwear, bras, bathing suits in here. And I also forgot to mention that in my shoes I have all my socks and stuff too. So all of that, so I just basically put it all in this. And while I don't do that all the time, I just felt that it actually worked for this. And I have my jewelry roll, which is just tucked back into the corner there. Just a few necklaces, and I think I'm taking 6 necklaces and like 5 or 6 pairs of earrings. My watch. Okay, so that is all that. I also have my little packet of, kind of took it off. It's my, my money thing. So if you saw part 1, I explained how I use this. All right, so that was the suitcase. So now we get to my purse. So this is a great little crossbody bag purse. And I tie my little scarf on here for the flight. I have my iPad. I have my cell phone to the side. I have a power bank. I have my medicine in here, my prescriptions. Need to have those. And then this is my little pouch where after I get through security, I'll put my little, I have my toothbrush, and I have 2 little kind of face wipes for makeup and stuff like that, just to refresh. And then some lotion, some face cleaner, face lotion, and my toothpaste will all go in here. So that'll go back into my purse. Passport. I have breath mints. I don't chew gum, so breath mints are kind of my thing. I have an extra pair of earphones. Extra pair of earphones in there. And then my iPad cable. And this is all like in a little zipper pocket, so it is kind of contained. And then a pen. So thought of the day. My thought right now is that I need a good recommendation on a hotel for out near Rome, near the FCO airport, because I would like to be close to the airport the night before I leave. And so it's only 1 night, but I would like to get a good recommendation on something that has Wi-Fi, an airport shuttle, things like that. So I'm looking for a good recommendation there. If you can email me, I'll leave my email below, or you can leave a comment below and I will definitely check it out. I'm looking for something kind of around the $150 range or less, US dollars. And so I would appreciate any kind of recommendations you have. Take care and have a great day.